Hello students, in my last video I have explained you the chapter The Little Girl. Now let us continue with the same chapter. Now Kezia was not well. She had a cold, so she was supposed to stay at home. So her grandmother suggested that as she was at home and her father's birthday was approaching, she could make a birthday gift for him. She asked Kezia to make a pin cushion for him, and she also gave her a yellow colored fabric of silk to make the cushion. Kezia put in lot of effort to make the birthday gift. She used double cotton and she stitched three sides of the cushion. Now, Kezia had prepared the bag shaped of the cushion. She had to stitch the fourth side, and before that she had to fill the cushion with something. So, Kezia was confused that what should she use to fill the cushion with, as her grandmother was out in the garden and she was just looking for something. She reached her mother's bedroom. She was looking for bits of paper or cloth to stuff into the cushion. Now, what she do on the bed table? She found a heap of sheet of papers. So she just gathered all the sheets, then tore them and stuffed those pieces of paper into the cushion. And then she stitched the fourth side of the cushion, and she had prepared a birthday gift for her father. So many of you can relate to Kezia's act. Many children do such things unknowingly. They do not intend to create any mischief or harm to anyone, but they end up doing it. Now, there was a lot of shouting in the house because Kezia's father had prepared a speech for the Port Authority and he was unable to find it. Now, we all know where the speech has gone. It has been torn into pieces and Kezia has stuffed it into the cushion. Kezia truly tells her mother that she found some pieces of paper, and as she needed them to stuff into the cushion, so she torn them and prepared her surprise gift. That is a birthday gift that she had prepared for her father. Unknowingly, Kezia had done a great disaster. Now, Kezia's mother is so furious when she comes to know that Kezia has torn the speech that her father is looking for, and Kezia's father is full of tension as his important document has been lost. Kezia has torn it into pieces. Now Kezia will be scolded for the mischief that she has done. Now, why is Kezia's father referring to the cushion that she has prepared as a damn thing? Because he is angry at the cushion. Because Kezia has torn his important document to prepare it. And then Kezia's father ordered his mother to go and bring that cushion downstairs and asked her to put Kezia to bed at that very moment. Kezia wanted to justify her action as she was innocent and she did not mean to harm her father. She was just preparing a surprise birthday gift for him. Kezia was very sad. Now he is about to punish Kezia for the wrong act she has done. Now Kezia's father told her that he would beat her with the ruler. Now, here we come to know that why Kezia's father was being strict with her. Why was he punishing her? Because he wanted Kezia to know this thing once for all, that she should not touch that thing that does not belong to her. He wanted to teach her this thing so that it benefited in her future life. Kezia tried to explain her position, but Kezia's father did not listen to her excuses. Kezia's father hit the palms of her hand with a ruler. And many hours later, her grandmother wrapped her in a shawl and made her sit in her lap on a rocking chair, and she was trying to put Kezia to sleep. Kezia was still not comfortable. She was crying, and she said that God should not have made fathers. So again we see that the little child was so innocent. She did not realize that her father hit her to teach her a lesson so that she did not touch anything that did not belong to her. And now, whenever she saw her father approaching, she would keep her hands behind her back because she felt that maybe he would hit her again. Here, the writer tells us about Kezia's neighbors. Her neighbors were a family named MacDonalds. In all, the MacDonalds had 5 children, and Kezia would peep at them through a hole in the fence. She would see that the family had a lot of fun. They played a game called tag. Tag is a children's game of catching one another. So all the children along with their father would have a lot of fun. Kezia also wanted to have such fun with her father, and she missed it. Now, when Kezia saw Mr. MacDonald, she realized that he was quite opposite to her father. She felt God had made various kinds of fathers. One day, Kezia's mother fell ill, so she was taken to the hospital, and the grandmother also went along with her. Now, Kezia was all alone at home with the cook. The name of the cook is Ellis. Now, Kezia was fine during the day, but at night, when the cook put Kezia to bed all alone, Kezia started feeling scared. Kezia explained to Alice that whenever she had nightmares, she would go to her grandmother and she would sleep with her. But Alice told Kezia to sleep quiet as her father was sleeping in the next room. She removed Kezia's socks and warned her not to scream and wake her father. But Kezia was helpless. So now, this is the nightmare that Kezia had often. She would see a butcher. A butcher is a person who cuts animals, who cut meats. So, this butcher would hold a big knife, a huge butcher's knife, and a rope, and he would approach Kezia. She was terrified to see this butcher, and in her sleep, Kezia cried out for help. She called for her grandmother. So Kezia's father had heard her screams, and he heard that Kezia was calling for her grandmother, and he had come to help her. Now he asked Kezia what was the matter, why she was screaming. Kezia was still scared of nightmare. She said that there was a butcher. He was holding a dreadful knife and she wanted her grandmother. So here we can see the affection that Kezia's father has for her. He lifted her and carried her to his bedroom. Kezia's father lay her in his bed next to him and covered her with the top sheets. Now Kezia felt her father's affection, and so she went close to him, and now Kezia had overcome her fear of her father. Now, here Kezia realizes her mistake and she had affection towards her father. Now she felt that her father was a poor man who worked very hard, and so he got so tired he went off to sleep and did not play with her like Mr. MacDonald did with the children. But Kezia felt that her father's heart was also full of love for her, and now she realizes her mistake of torn up his important documents, and that is why her father had beaten her and had been so strict with her. Although Kezia's father was asleep, he heard her sigh. He heard the sound that Kezia made and he asked her what the matter was. Was she again watching a bad dream? Kezia replied to her father that she had placed her head on her father's heart and she could hear his heartbeat. And she complimented her father that he had a big heart. So Kezia is showing her love for her father as she had realized that her father also loved her. So I hope students you would have understood the chapter. Thank you.